Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val, and today is Mindful Monday. So, we've got our Mindful Souls box. Super excited to unbox this. I love unboxing my Mindful Souls boxes. Let's go ahead and see what March has in store for us and what this box has for its affirmation. So, Mindful Souls, for those of you who don't know, is a monthly subscription box. However, it is not the same for everyone, so it depends on when you start your journey. So like my first box was for December 2022, and let's say you started your Mindful Souls subscription this month for March. What you get for March would have matched what I got for December. So that's how Mindful Souls works. Everyone's journey starts when they start their own subscription. This is so you got December, January, February, and March. So this is my fourth box. My fourth box will not, my March box, like I said, will not match your March box. It'll be a little different. So this is my fourth box in my Mindful Souls journey. So let's go ahead and open it. So every month, this is what the box looks like. It says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. And then we always get a Mindful Souls. This is like the information card of all the products that we get. So you're seeing all the products first. I haven't looked at this. And then we always get a little affirmation. So my affirmation for this month is the affirmation for letting go. So let go. I release all disease from my body and welcome health, love, and happiness into my life. So that's a beautiful affirmation, and I'm excited to have this affirmation and use it either before I go to sleep or when I wake up. And then we've got, oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the information card. So the first thing that I pull out, and or actually before that, because they always have a sticker. The sticker was so pretty. It says, "Be the reason that someone smiles today." I love the pattern. This is the sticker for this month. Be the reason that someone smiles today. And I hope this Mindful Monday, this video brings you happiness and helps you smile and have a new outlook on life. So let's go ahead and open the information now, the little pamphlet. So the first thing that we pull out, I love this. It's a spoon with clear crystal. So this is the spoon. It's got like this flower detailing on the inside and kind of like all about. It's kind of like, it's really pretty. And then it has a clear crystal right there. So that is the spoon. So it says, bring a touch of magic to your coffee, tea, or cupcake breaks with this cute little spoon with clear crystal. Clear crystals resonate at the level of your individual needs, and they will amplify energies or intentions that are programmed into them. So I'm really excited for this. Oh my goodness, I like it so much. It's so freaking cute. It's like a bronze spoon. It's so pretty. I'm excited to use this. I could use this when I'm mixing honey into my tea, or like it said, little cupcake breaks. Super excited for this. And what's next? What's next is in this little bag. So it feels a beady, like maybe a necklace, or a bracelet. So let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, I think it's oh, this is pretty. Okay, so it's a bracelet duo. It's bracelet duo. So it's green and gold, and I'm not able to put this on by myself, but it's this green little bead with enwrapped in like a gold, no, it's this green little bead enwrapped in a gold little ring, and then it's got this matching bracelet with also the green beads with the little mini gold beads in between. So I'm excited to wear this as like a little duo. Let me see what it says. It says here, the Labradorite bracelet set. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so I think my stones, I'm a Cancer born in July, and I think my July Cancer stones are Labradorite. I think that's one of them. And it says Labradorite bracelet set. With the mystical energy of Labradorite, sparks of neon will illuminate the path to your destiny. This stone banishes fears and insecurities and the psychic debris from previous disappointments, strengthens faith in the self and trust in the universe. It removes other people's projections, including thought forms that have hooked onto the aura. Wearing Labradorite helps you tap into a higher state of consciousness. It's a protective stone as well, so it will keep your energy body grounded while allowing you to explore the expanded states of the universe. I'm excited for that. I'm excited for those little bracelets. Next, we pull out, oh, this one feels heavy. Feels like a stone. Oh, this one is I believe it's the Labradorite palm stone. And the Labradorite palm stone, this is what it is. So the Labradorite palm stone is a highly mystical and protective stone. It is a bringer of light, and it raises consciousness and connects with universal energies. Labradorite deflects unwanted energies from the aura and prevents energy leakage. It forms a barrier to negative energy. The color of Labradorite is usually dark until it catches light. The iridescent blue or gold flashes. Sit quietly and hold your healing stone in your hands. Breathe and visualize your intention for your stones. What's next? Okay, next we have a little pointer crystal. This one is another little crystal. It's black and red, and it's the mahogany obsidian point. So this one, the mahogany obsidian point, is natural glass obsidian that has inclusions of magnetite or hematite, creating the mahogany colored patches in it. A hugely protective stone, it is used for protection from psychic attacks by those who wish to harm or those who don't even intend to, but their energy is negative or aggressive and might inadvertently do so. This is an excellent grounding stone that helps instill confidence while protecting the wearer from the effects of negative thoughts, self-doubt, and the doubt and scorn of others. So, it says to sit quietly holding your mahogany obsidian point and ask yourself, what is holding me back from being who I was designed to be? What am I afraid of? Write down whatever comes to mind and put your black obsidian point on top. Its energy helps to bring those things up to the surface. So I'm excited for this and use this. Next. Okay, what does this one feel like? Oops. This one feels like another pointer maybe. Ooh, it's a necklace. Okay, so this one's a necklace. And it's a really pretty necklace at that. Here, maybe I can put it on. So it's a blue necklace, a blue stone. And it says it's a lapis lazuli necklace. So this is lapis lazuli. And it says, lapis lazuli is a gemstone that has existed since the beginnings of time. The ancient Egyptians used it in their scarabs, pendants, and other ornamental objects. A lapis lazuli stone is a gemstone of total awareness and peace that helps connect you to a higher truth. It quickly releases stress, bringing deep peace. Lapis lazuli properties also include helping you to further your journey of self-discovery and self-mastery. So that's the lapis lazuli necklace. Next is this. So I already saw that this was an incense holder. So this is, like I said, is an incense holder. Not entirely sure how it's supposed to work. Oh, yeah, that's cool, okay. So this is the lotus flower incense holder. It's actually really pretty. And what happens is you put this in the center like this, and it'll hold the incense upright. It kind of also looks like it could be used if you wanted to hold, like, you know, jewelry. So maybe if I wanted to put my bracelet on there, maybe I could put like some bracelets on there, like some rings. But it says it's a incense holder, which I do love incense, and I like to burn them from time to time if I'm not like using my oils. So this is how it works, and it says here that the lotus flower incense holder is a beautiful decoration piece ideal for meditation purposes, yoga rooms, or your sacred spaces. It is perfect for burning incense sticks, also can be used with incense cones and incense coils. Use your favorite incense to harness the magic of the ancients and send it through your sacred space. As your incense burns, feel yourself swirling in the smoke, connecting to and dancing resplendently in the sacred, feminine, and divine power that you are. So that is everything that came in Mindful Souls this month, or for me this month. Like I said, your Mindful Souls box is going to be based on when you start your journey. So I started my Mindful Souls journey this past December, and my first box might match, let's say you get your first box in April. My first box will match your April box. Or let's say you started Mindful Souls for this March and you got a box this March, then your March box would have matched my December box. So it just depends on your journey, when you started it, and everyone's going to have a different box. There are people who might have the same box as me and be on the same journey timeline as I am. It just depends, like I said, when you started it. So yeah, these are some of the jewelries that I've gotten from Mindful Souls, and I love getting these Mindful Souls boxes. I think they do kind of bring me more mindfulness and peacefulness into my life, and they kind of help me stay a little more grounded and in more tune with myself. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. For more unboxing videos, go ahead and subscribe down below. It's totally free. And comment down below if you get Mindful Souls, or what you do to stay mindful. I want to know what all of you do to stay mindful. One of the things that I do is get this box. Another thing I haven't done in about a few months, because I've been on and off getting sick. I just want to make sure I was feeling better. I actually like to go to yoga classes, and I haven't been, because like I said, I've been getting sick on and off because of work and stuff. But when I feel better, I do want to go to yoga again. I feel more relaxed after yoga, so hopefully I can do that again. And then I just like to, I don't know, I just do different things to help me stay mindful and, you know, self-love and self-care. I've been washing my face more and trying to take care of my skin and be more conscious with that. I do want to be more conscious with what I'm eating. That's going to take a little bit of, but I need to be more disciplined for me to be more conscious of what I'm eating. This does help. These crystals, these essential oils, they do help a lot. So like I said, comment down below what you do to stay mindful and for self-care and for self-love. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone!